Ugly man time. You see it? People, wanna follow me on Instagram, you see it? Follow me on Instagram, Barney Hustler. And can follow me on YouTube, you see it? Or Hustler Talk the Truth TV. People, me tell you this. You know, say, what do me do a video about spice? And the whole media say me despise. Oh, me despise. People, me just talk the truth. The truth hurt, but it's not a offend. You understand? The truth hurt. But Father God says, speak the truth and let yourself free. Spice, nobody never tell you say you're ugly yet. You see it? Because they might hide the truth from you. Spice is not pretty. He is an ugly black woman. And I rate you, because you're proud to be a black woman. You understand? But guess what? You're proud to be an ugly black woman because it's not pretty. You understand? You're not pretty, you're ugly. Me ugly, I'm proud to be a ugly man. You see, because Father God give me the image for ugly. Father God give you the image for ugly. Father God give Shensia the image for pretty and look good, shape good. You understand? Yeah. We're proud of our ugliness. We know for disown our ugliness. So you disown our ugliness. You for come on the internet and say, people, I am not pretty, I am ugly. And I'm glad to be somebody who ugly. You see it? You understand? Because guess what? How only place me going on? And people say, you're ugly, man. Why you ugly, so? I just laugh it off. And I say, yeah, I'm proud to be ugly. You understand? Yeah. But how all the people bash me and I say me despise. How me despise? True me I tell Spice say she ugly. True me are the first person on the internet that tell Spice say she ugly. You know what I'm saying? Cause listen, when me see Spice, when me usually see Spice on the internet, me I say Spice pretty like money and she look good and way. Listen, Spice look good, you know. You understand? But listen, she ugly in a real life. She ugly. Yes, upon the photo them and the video them which she always do, the camera light makes you look bright and pretty and everything. Yeah, but near in a real life Spice ugly. Don't make nobody trick you. Pretty I like Shensia. Shensia born with the image for pretty. Understand? Yeah. Me born with the image for ugly. But done ugly already. I don't care what the media want to say about me. Me ugly and I'm proud of my ugliness. Anybody can see me out and say, oh, ugly man, ugly, or you ugly, or that now joke a bone in me. You understand? Because I know I'm ugly, I'm the ugliest man. You see it? Yeah, but guess what? You see the woman them who are ugly, though this one is ugliness. I'm proud of one ugliness. Because Father God good in the image, you know, work on the image. Work on the image. And Spice are ugly. Me are the first man I tell you say ugly, you understand? Because I tell you the truth. You understand? Yeah. No one have to brave up and say, yeah, you know some ugly. You understand? And a true matter. Yeah. That's that more if you do. You see it? You know, so me younger, me broke my mother just a glass. More. Me wake up and go in front of the dresser glass and I say, and when the cake start, the glass just broke. Because two of my ugly. I have to save my money and pay for my mother glass.